Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the RCM Ledger Transaction List in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successfully logging in, this is what our dashboard looks like. Navigate to the Accounts module. Then select the General Accounts menu, and choose a General Ledger statement. On the screen, select the required date range. And set the account as Input or Output RCM Ledger. And click the Submit button. The report displays the list of RCM Ledger transactions for the selected date range. These are the steps to generate the RCM Ledger Transaction List in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.